Good day. In this question, we are asked to solve for the area of the circle. So, circle, if this is our radius, area of a circle is equals to pi r squared, where r is equals to 3.1 times 10 to the 4 centimeters. So, area, by substituting, we have pi, r is 3.1 times 10 to the 4 centimeter squared. Area here is equals to 3 times 10 to the 9 centimeter squared. Thank you.